And now we'll take a look at the engine room via the hydraulically raised engine room hatch. Just a matter of undoing a little bit of canvas and picking the carpets up. And there you go. There's our engine room, easily accessed. And we can take a look inside. Got our Kohler generator with the sound shield off to the port side. And in this nice clean engine room, take a look. Got your starboard motor and port motor. Volvo Penta 8.1 GXI. Very nicely laid out. Everything easy to get to. Even the V drives aren't tough to get to.